Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to show you a little problem I'm encountering with the Birney car here. So I got this car out today, was going to take a quick little ride because it's been a while and it wouldn't move on its own power. So I got to playing with it here a little bit and found that I could hear, I don't know if you can hear the contactors picking up. So that's for the forward reverse contactors. So those were picking up. But whenever I try to operate the throttle, if you can see this, but so my motor voltage pegs, but there is no current, there is no power to the motor. So that means that our isolation contactor that is between the IGBT right here and the actual motor is not working. I don't hear it. I don't hear it clicking. I should hear a click, a big click when I do this, but don't have it. So got to looking around here and found the cause of the problem, which I will now show you. All right. So up under here are three contactors. There's 1, 2, 3. Those two over there are the reversers. And this one is the isolation contactor, which I call generator field because I'm used to working on diesel electrics. So this has the same function as a generator field in a diesel electric locomotive, and that is to isolate basically the power supply from the thing that makes the rail car move. So it's kind of like a safety contactor. So whenever the throttle is open to notch 1 or above, that will close and allow power to flow from the power supply to the motors. So anyway, what I found under here is the coil wire right there was chopped off. It appeared to be nibbled off. So I think a raccoon or a mouse or something got up in there and chewed it in half. I guess it didn't want us taking a ride. Anti-rail fan animals, not good. But anyways, we've got to make a little repair there. I've already got the wire stripped back and ready to replace, and I thought, well, we'll make a little short video about this. This is just some of the problems we encounter out here. While we're under here looking around, you can see the rectifiers. These are the traction rectifiers that take the AC line power and convert them to DC for the motor. Here's the brake cylinder, and that pushes on a rod right here, which operates this rod, which comes up to here and moves this back and forth, which pushes a rod that goes through a pipe, which goes to the brake block. And what else will I show you while we're under here? So there's back side of the traction motor and the sprocket for the driven wheel. And here's kind of how the suspension is set up on this car. I'm going to redo this frame. These wheels are getting really tired. I don't know, you can tell, but the flange is really thin on them. Some of them have cracks in the spokes, and these leaf springs are just worn out. They are the original springs in this car since 1956. So as you can see, this one's got a spike jammed in it, because I guess, I don't know, there wasn't enough spring tension there at one time, and you can see the welds cracked on it, and they're bolted in, but still, eventually I'm going to replace this underframe. It's time to do it. Anyways, enough about that. Let's make a repair and see if this car moves. So we've made our splice repair. Now it's time to do a quick test. Make sure we're all good. All right. And there we go. Hey. All right. We're now back in business. Maybe. It's controllers. There we go. Controller doesn't like it when I'm operating from outside the car, as it should not. All right. So there we have it. Birney's back in business till the mice or raccoons or whatever come and chew through the next thing. Such is life with nature. I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time.